Welcome back to Auto Dynasty, the place where legendary machines meet the future. Today is a special day for true car lovers because Ford has officially unveiled the all-new next-generation 2027 Ford Thunderbird. And this iconic nameplate is back with a bold new attitude, modern technology, and a design that perfectly blends classic heritage with futuristic vision. The 2027 Ford Thunderbird instantly grabs attention with its striking new design language. Ford has reimagined the Thunderbird as a premium grand touring coupe with smooth, flowing lines and a confident road presence. The long sculpted hood pays tribute to the classic Thunderbirds of the past, while the sleek LED headlights and wide front grille give it a sharp, modern face. From the side, the low roofline, frameless doors, and muscular rear haunches create an elegant yet powerful silhouette. At the back, the signature Thunderbird styling returns with futuristic LED taillights and a clean, aerodynamic finish that looks both nostalgic and forward-thinking. Step inside and the 2027 Thunderbird feels like a true next-generation luxury coupe. The cabin is designed around the driver, offering a perfect mix of comfort, technology, and performance-focused details. Premium leather, brushed metal accents, and ambient lighting create an upscale atmosphere. A large curved digital display dominates the dashboard, combining a fully digital instrument cluster with a high-resolution infotainment system. Everything feels intuitive, modern, and driver-friendly. Ford has clearly focused on making this car not just fast and stylish, but also a pleasure to drive every single day. When it comes to performance, the new Thunderbird lives up to its legendary name. Ford is expected to offer multiple powertrain options, including a high-performance turbocharged engine and a possible hybrid assisted setup for improved efficiency and instant torque. Smooth acceleration, precise steering, and advanced suspension tuning make the 2027 Thunderbird a true grand tourer, capable of delivering thrilling performance on open highways while remaining comfortable during long drives. This car is built for drivers who want excitement without sacrificing refinement. Technology plays a major role in the 2027 Ford Thunderbird. The latest Ford infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with advanced voice control and over-the-air updates. Driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced parking system, making the Thunderbird as smart as it is stylish. Safety has also been a top priority, with a reinforced body structure and the latest active safety technologies to ensure confidence behind the wheel. What makes the 2027 Thunderbird truly special is how it balances past and future. Ford has respected the legacy of the Thunderbird while completely redefining it for a new generation of drivers. This is not just a revival, it's a transformation. The Thunderbird now competes in the premium coupe segment, offering a unique alternative to European rivals with American character, modern luxury, and iconic styling. The official unveiling of the 2027 Ford Thunderbird marks a bold new chapter for Ford and for fans of this legendary name. It's elegant, powerful, and packed with innovation, proving that classic icons can evolve without losing their soul. If you've been waiting for a car that combines heritage, modern design, and next-generation performance, the new Thunderbird might just be the one. Thanks for watching Auto Dynasty. If you enjoyed this deep look at the all-new 2027 Ford Thunderbird, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive reveals, future car updates, and legendary machines reborn for a new era. Stay tuned, because the future of automotive excellence starts right here.